There's snow after last night. Didn't cover the ground too bad. Yeah. Spare parts truck ran. She don't look too under the snow this morning, y'all. At all. Grinchy covered up. My son's truck, he parked his up here down at the house. What's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fire. Back at y'all with a new year's 2026 video this morning. Wow. Truck is covered on this side so you could tell the wind was blowing everything this way. So, ran the new year in. Of course, gotta take my brother to work. He gotta work on New Year's morning. So, we're gonna go on here and get the booth started up. Y'all hear my monster out back. I just let her out this morning. And then say, keys. Cause it's cold outside. Started up, y'all. Sure enough, cold start. Oh no. Wow. Whoa. Damn. I did real good without getting no snow on me. You would think I was out here cleaning the truck off. Goodness gracious. This is what my winter wonderland looking like. We got the good sun out. Coming up. Yeah. So, we planning, goodness gracious, I look like somebody hit me with a snowball, y'all. So, we planning on bringing the new year in right this year with our very first video. I want to thank everybody, each and every one of y'all, 1,012 subscribers, and even the people who don't even click and hit subscribe. Happy New Year. Hopefully y'all having a great one. We'll go in here while she warm up and making my coffee. Shake some of the snow up me. Woo! Look at that. That's bad. That's bad. So, yeah. Early morning. I'm telling you, I feel like I was hit with a snowball. It's crazy. You know, we got our decorations, our New Year's decorations up and everything. You know, we partied a little bit. We had family, enjoyed. Yeah, man, it's crazy. So, I just want to hit y'all with that early morning Happy New Year's. So, I catch y'all probably in a little bit. We're going to go out here and hit these roads, see what they like. And hopefully y'all had a great evening too. Night, and have a great New Year's Day. Catch y'all in a little bit.
You're now listening to Demon Beats.
This is what we looking like out here. Things will get real quick. So, y'all out here riding around, be safe. Anybody that's on the YouTube, subscribers, Pennsylvania. Yeah. just be out here. It's a nice day, I ain't gonna lie. Give it a little bit. Wait till the snow melt, y'all. And some of the ice. This is what we looking like right now on some roads. Of course, we coasting, but you got people that'll come around the curve a little too fast and straight hit us. So you still gotta be mindful of others out here too, not just yourself. I know people be like, oh, I'm good, but you still gotta be mindful of others. Man out here getting his snow blow early. Yeah, getting up out that driveway, my brother. Some roads are better than others, and some roads is not. It ain't too bad that way. It ain't too bad that way. So, yeah. Sun is out. Beautiful day. Lie to you not. It's a beautiful day. Really nobody outside. The news said if you ain't got to be out here, don't be out here, y'all. Don't be out here. Uh-oh, there go 2 more people out of the 4 that we done seen so far. So far we done seen 6 people outside today. 7, uh-oh, we might see 10. We'll probably see 10 up on Scout. Looking like up on Scout. Road kind of white. Yeah. Look, it's sitting all white. I mean, real white. The roads, the side roads was better than up here. That's crazy. I mean, it's white, like they ain't hit this with no ice. I mean, no salt. No. Oh, they get right here, somebody out here shoveling the driveway. Oh. There we go. So, we made it. Drop him off nice, safe, and sound. Yep. So,
New Year, time to get to the money. You
that's,
know what I mean.
You already know.
Shit.
You understand? Bring that new money in.
I don't need to play with them. New
Right.
Year, mama, go ahead and get back
That
to the
new
money.
year money.
Yeah, new money. New Year, new money.
We took the back road home. See
You are
what the
now
back road
listening
looks like. They plowed it already. Before I went
Mix.
down the road. This is what it looked like after the snowstorm that we had. On the back road. Nothing too serious, nothing to be worried about. But you still gotta be mindful sliding through these back roads, because you can slide, and you gotta get back control, and then you might go off that edge over there. Definitely don't want to go off that edge over there. Let me show y'all. Get a little close to it. Yeah, you don't want to go off there, do you? I'ma say no. No, nobody want to go off of there. But they plowed this road pretty good. Be the back road. I wish they had left it alone. want to take his Dakota, and then I got another partner that wants to take his 4Runner. So yeah, we're gonna test it out and go off-road with them in the snow, because I'm quite sure it's a nice amount of snow back there. So stay tuned for that video to come. But we back home in the